in a manner that's accessible to a large number of, and also ensure that we keep the entire sale of all other smartphone brands together. It'll still be lesser than what Xiaomi sells online. Now let's get started with the first one. The Redmi 6A, which is a worthy successful ever since it launched about 7 months September on me.com and Amazon.com. Finally, the Redmi 6 Pro, dual camera.
Black. Only MI.
Hi, my name is Murali Krishnan and I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Xiaomi in India. And I'm here today to announce the launch of 3 new exciting devices in our Redmi range. Firstly, the Redmi 6A, which possesses a 12 nanometer quad-core processor, which brings great power and performance to entry-level smartphone users. We affectionately like to call this Desh Ka Naya smartphone, and this phone starts retailing at a price of 5,999. The second launch that we have today is the Redmi 6, which has dual camera with octa-core speed, powered by a Helio P22 octa-core processor with 12 nanometer FinFET technology again, has a 12 plus 5 megapixel rear camera, which can produce great images. And this starts retailing at 7,499. And finally, we have the Redmi 6 Pro with a wonderful aluminum body, 19:9 5.84 inch screen. It comes with a notch and a beautiful rear camera with 12 plus 5 megapixels and a pixel size of 1.2 microns. And this starts retailing at 10,999.
For more updates, please subscribe 99 TV Telugu.